Okay, Wii time.
Ow. Okay. Me and my Wii people are waiting for you. No, that was for me. you lost that one. You guys get away. You guys stay. Okay. Oh, you guys know. Stop. This is so intense. Oh, God. Yes! You're losing. Yeah, well, it's the first time I ever played Wii, so stop. Oh. Okay, this is it, Corey. You win or you lose at this point. Oh, I didn't even do anything. Wait, did I just do something bad? No, you just scored. Wait, you're on the right, the Mexican one. You got 30 points, I have 40. Yeah. Look, they have like little song notes, and then it says do. Okay. You sing like a bird. Will you move away before I hit you? What's the little brain thing above my head when I lose? It's an angry sign. Hold on. Why do I keep serving? I can't see you. Because you're gonna serve until this game is over. Yes, it happens when I move over. You're all in my way and I'm gonna like hit you with my Wii remote or something. This is really cool. Like comes to you.
Somebody please.
Loser. Yeah, you won. Yes, I won.
That's where the video ends.